Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So last time I had posted a video of rebounding benefits, and in this video, as I had mentioned earlier, that we will discuss everything in detail, step by step, like what are the benefits of rebounding. So let's get started. So first is exercises. This rebounding exercises every part of the body at once. Like the best exercise and the best workouts are those that target the whole body. So when we are rebounding, what happens is the oxygen flows to all the muscles and it improves the oxygen flow basically. Like in addition to working our legs and arms, rebounding also aids ankle and knee strength, and it helps to improve the muscle mass. So some of the research was also done by NASA, and like I was amazed that just this equipment has got so many things connected to it, that even some research was done by NASA, and NASA helped to study some astronauts to build muscle and bone mass. Because I read it somewhere that the people who, okay, I'll get back to that part some other time. So for now it is mentioned that NASA studies have confirmed that it improves bone density as well, like boosting bone and muscle density while losing fat and exercising muscles in a low impact manner. The second one is it slows down the aging process. So rebounding is one of the best exercises which help people stay fit as they get older. And it also reverses the signs of aging as well. The detoxification through the improved lymph flow is excellent for skin and in general appearance. So it can also aid posture, core muscle strength and bone density. It also, the third benefit is it reduces the risk of stroke, because what it does is basically rebounding is directly shown to help both of those tissues. Okay, and bouncing on a rebounder is a great way to reduce the threats of a stroke. The increased blood oxygenation is another significant factor. So there is something called as sticky blood cells. Like when we are not exercising enough, the blood cells seems to stick around. This is what I read somewhere. So sticky blood cells are encouraged to separate, and thanks to the exercise, which dramatically helps them flow through the body while avoiding clots and artery hardening. And as oxygenated blood reaches the brain, the strokes are also far less. The next benefit is improved athletics. So all physical activity will provide some cardiovascular or muscle strengthening benefits, right? Like we all know that physical activity is so much important. But what rebounding does is it strengthens the cardiovascular muscles, as well as it's good for athletic performance. Like what happens is the improved lymph flow and blood flow aids muscle efficiency, while the continued movement and jumping actions cause the lung capacity to increase. And other benefits include improved balance, joint movement and postures. Moreover, enjoying these improvement, okay, enjoying those physical improvements without the threat of encountering injuries makes it an ideal training ritual before and after big events. So there were even people who were saying that they used to rebound before any big event. And the next benefit is it stimulates mental performance. So rebounding's positive impact on lung capacity and blood oxygen levels naturally aids mental performance, and routines can also be a great chance to relax and forget about your problems. This can help you refocus your attention after exercise. Rebounding can aid memory, creative thinking and concentration levels as well. Next is rebounding is additionally shown to encourage better sleep patterns. In turn, this can aid immediate and long-term mental performance. All exercise promotes good mental health, we all know this, but rebounding is considered to be one of the best. And next is it improves digestion. Like as I have told you in the previous few things also which we were discussing, that it improves the digestion, all because again it's because of the boost which the blood flow gets when we are rebounding. Because when the muscles work better, it allows food to take the correct route from mouth to rectum via small and large intestines in a smoother fashion. Like all these things, I have made some notes so that you will get a clear idea of how this is so much beneficial, and it can also reduce the symptoms of constipation, and it can help reduce the threat of even colon cancer and related digestive problems. Next is people who are suffering with varicose veins. It can even help in people dealing with these things, like bouncing on a rebounder makes the lymph, again the lymphatic system is there, so it makes the lymph work up to 30 times faster, okay, which is vital for the detoxification of the cells. And also it was mentioned somewhere that why the founder of Cellicizer had even named it as a Cellicizer, because this equipment worked on almost all cells of our body. And it okay, coming back to varicose veins, it can be an effective exercise for reducing varicose veins and spider veins. Research shows that rebounding additionally supports muscle tone and blood flow in the legs to help fight against various varicose vein symptoms. And also added to the fact that rebounding has no negative impact on our joints, so that is why it is considered as undoubtedly one of the best ways to reduce the appearance of varicose veins. Next is it lessens shoulder pain. So rebounding can also help you to improve your shoulder pain as well as back pain. So the activity can help to strengthen your muscles, improve your posture and stretch your back, neck and shoulders. Some rebounder exercises are ideal for the upper back, helping to strengthen your upper back and shoulders. Rebounding helps to correct your posture and align your body. Next is prevents edema. So edema, you can just have a look on the net what edema is. So rebounding is good for increasing the circulation, as till now we have understood this part. So how it can help edema? Edema is when the fluid abnormally accumulates in certain tissues, such as under the skin or in the lungs. So edema can cause swelling and can cause skin to appear shiny and tight. So better circulation keeps blood from pooling in the veins and prevents fluid leaking from capillaries into the surrounding tissues. So this is how it helps in this health condition called edema. And also rebounding can help us get few less colds, and it helps to keep us physically fit, and it also helps to boost our immune system, which keeps away all the germs and bugs that can make us ill. So if we are exercising more on this rebounder, especially if we choose a high intensity exercise, we will notice that we will get sick less often and we will feel generally much healthier. So and also the next part is like what I understood from my research work is that it helps a lot on some of the mental health conditions like depression, or people who are having a lot of stress, and people who are having bad mood, or they are dealing with something. So everywhere I saw that it helps it helps people who are generally dealing with stress and anxiety, and like people who are just they keep on they are stuck with some of the bad past events, and they keep thinking about those events again and again. So what these rebounding exercise does is, research has shown that being physically active, anyone with dealing with these things are always advised to do a lot of physical workouts, and they are suggested to be physically active. So it also helps to reduce thinking on these past events, and when we work out, our blood flow can be redirected away from the areas of the brain that is continuously stressing on those events. And also it can help quit smoking for people who want to do so. Some other benefits are it relieves symptoms of osteoporosis, prevents belly fat, reduces headaches, and reduces a number of common aches and pains, including headaches as well, because again it everything is because of the increased blood flow basically. And also it helps to boost the mood, as I have also told you before, and it helps to clear the nose when we are feeling stuffed up. It is like if we are suffering from a lot of congestion in our nose or the sinus, and if we spend some time on the rebounder, it can help to clear it up. Actually, you will also feel when you are exercising and you have a lot of cold, and everything is stuffed up in your nose, and when you exercise you feel that it is getting cleared up. You actually feel, and like even I have also experienced that when I am having a lot of cold and cough, and when I am exercising or when I am running, I feel that everything is a lot cleared up, and I feel better after doing exercise or after running. Okay, next is I've already told you that it combats depression, so it is good for mental health as well. Then it reduces puffiness beneath the eyes as well, because what happens is puffy eyes are caused by a building up of lymph fluid, and that has got no opportunity to drain away, so everything swells up beneath our eyes, and when we are rebounding it helps to clear it up. And okay, so the next part is it can also help to reduce inflammation. And basically, if you do your research work, you will get a lot of connection between rebounding and the lymphatic system, and how it helps to detoxify all the toxins, and it helps to clear up basically everything which is just stuck up in the body and stuck up in the lymph systems. Next is collagen strengthening. So collagen is something which we have in our body that keeps our skin looking younger, and rebounding strengthens the collagen, which will mean that our skin will stay looking younger for longer time. And actually this list is endless, frankly speaking. The research which I did, and the benefits which I came up, the list is actually endless. I have just stopped till here, but if you really want to know other benefits, as I have told you, mentioned earlier as well, you can go to sellersize.com, and you can read all of the benefits. And it's not just about a particular brand or particular this thing. What was mentioned over here is, if you are buying this equipment, go for a one which is not very cheap, because it will not be good for our joints and everything. But if you are going for a product, you can go for something which is good. And Seller Size is, what I came to know is, it's a very good product, and everything whatever has been mentioned in this website, or even by the founder, it has got a lot of logic and a lot of sense actually. Because even after I use this product, like I have just kept it on the open, and if you are feeling lethargic, or if you are not feeling any kind of energy in yourself, you just need to jump on it for 5 minutes or for 10 minutes, okay, with bare shoes, or with bare legs, or even you can wear shoes, and you can either do high intensity cardio workouts, or you can just jump on it and you can feel the difference, okay. And if you want me to do more of this research work and get back to you with more benefits, I will definitely make another video. It depends on how the response is on this video, because what I saw in the Indian videos which are made by more of Indians who are buying it, I only saw that they are buying it for their kids. But when I actually went to do more research work, I found out that it's actually very good for adults and for everyone who is even 90 plus. Those people are using it for the benefits. So that is what. And I have just stopped here because the list is endless actually. So let me know if you want more of this. I will definitely come up with this. And if you have heard me till here, it means that you got some information from my video. So I would request you to subscribe to my channel and share this video to as many people as possible. And you can obviously, if you are living in India, you can obviously, there are a lot of other brands as well. You can definitely go and look out for them and buy and see for yourself if this equipment is deserving of all the benefits which it claims. Thank you for hearing me. Thank you. Bye bye.